Hariyali.
Have you ever tried Hariyali chicken?
No, no.
Okay. So, what kind of dishes do you like, and what kind of dishes are famous in Odisha?
Yeah, actually in Odisha, most of people eat rice, pulses, and in summer season, the people of Odisha like to eat rice with water. Rice
Mhm.
with water. And
Okay.
yeah, it is called in Odia pakhal. It is called pakhal. Pakhal.
Pakar.
Rice with water. Rice with water,
Uh-huh.
and you can also add a curd also. Curd. You
Curd.
can also, yeah, you can add.
Curd.
Uh, and in Odisha, there is a special day, and that is also called Pakhal Divasa.
What
We
is that?
celebrate Pakhal
Pa-
Divas.
Pakali. Okay.
Pakhal Divas. Yeah. Uh, this day is special for Pakhal. So
Mhm.
that's why on that day,
What it is
every
called in English?
I don't know what is it called in English,
Okay.
but
Okay.
yeah, it
Is
is
it
a
sweet or
no, no, it is not sweet. Rice with water.
okay? This is also rice with water. Okay. Okay. And
Called
what kind of
pakhal. And
desserts are
uh,
famous?
uh, in Odisha, here there is no any kind of famous dishes, but most of people eat rice with water, and you can add also vegetables,
Mhm.
vegetables curry, any kind of, and you can add curd
Okay.
instead of water. You can add curd. It is
Curd.
very tasty. So that's why
Yes.
Um, people of Odisha observe Pakhal Divas. Pakhal Divas.
Pakal divas. Okay. Nice. Yes. And I also wish like to taste.
Day for Pakhal.
Yeah. I wish to taste all different varieties of foods from all over the India. I wish one day I have to taste like that. My
Okay,
wish,
okay.
like I'm a foodie. Whenever I open my YouTube channel or any Instagram, or I come across
Uh,
all the varieties of dishes, so I really crave for those food,
so
biryani and
do you like spicy food? Yeah, normal
yes,
food.
spicy. Yes, yes. Previously, I won't, but okay, if it is more spicy, then I can't eat. But it should be in the middle, like not more and not less. It should be maintained somewhat
Medium.
equal proportions. Yeah.
Okay.
And I also like desserts like gulab jamun and
ठीक है.
yeah, jangri. Yeah. And jaggery rice. In
Jaggery.
Telugu states, if any festival happened like that, we mainly do this. This is a old and traditional method, jaggery, uh, rice with jaggery, so that it is a easy and tasty method, jaggery. So I really like that dish.
Okay. Okay.
Yeah.
So in Hyderabad, is there any kind of food that is very famous?
Very famous dum biryani. So many people, some thousands, not thousands, lakhs of people will crave for this dum biryani, restaurant style biryani, and so
Yeah,
many
that's
people.
why.
Yeah, I
Yeah,
can't
that's
in
why.
one video
Yeah,
I
there
can't
is.
justify that biryani taste and all aroma fragrance. Yeah.
Yeah, yeah. There is also a song with dum related to dum biryani in Hindi. Uh, have you heard that song?
No, please tell me.
Okay. मियाँ भाई बिरयानी खाना है तो हैदराबाद आना.
Oh, nice, nice, thank you.
Yeah, yeah. You can search this song on YouTube. Okay.
Yes, I will. Yeah, true, true. Yeah, I will search. Definitely, I will search.
Yeah, yeah.
Yeah, and Hyderabadi Halim is also good in times of like Ramjan. There are so many, like they will roadside. They will kept this with the packings. I tasted twice. Yeah,
Yeah, yeah.
so I found that it is very taste like
Uh,
even healthy as well.
so tell me, why Hyderabad is called a Bengal city? Bengal
Bengal
city.
city.
Yeah.
Because it has a history of bangles, so many bangle bazaar like that. So I think so that's the reason it is called as Bangle Bazaar.
All variety
What
of
is
all variety of bangles are available in Hyderabad.
yes, yes,
It is very cheap, I think.
bangles. Yes,
It
very
is
cheap.
just very cheap in
Yes,
Hyderabad. Other than compared to other
yes,
city
yes. And
bangles.
that Charnar area, when we go there, we find all kind of any other ornaments or dresses will get low cost, wholesale or retailer, anything. See, if you want to buy anything in bulk, we can go there and we can get very
Yeah,
cheap, and it will save money a lot.
yeah, yeah. And there is also Hussain Sagar. Hussain Sagar.
Yes, Hussein Sagar. Yes, but these people are making nowadays really dirty. They are
Yeah, yeah.
what to say,
Actually,
allowing industrial waste
yeah,
into that river.
yeah.
Yeah,
People are throwing the garbage into the Sagar, Hussain Sagar. So that's
yes.
why
Even Musi
it
also, they really
being
spoil.
by people. Yeah.
Yes. And
So
tell me, rivers, famous rivers in your Orissa.
in Odisha, Mahanadi is the largest river in Odisha,
Yes,
and
Mahanadi. Mhm.
uh, you
It
have
starts from Maharashtra, right?
no,
Maharashtra,
no.
Mahanadi.
Uh, its origin point is close to Raipur.
Okay.
Yeah.
Mhm.
Some somewhere from adjoining area of Raipur,
Raipur.
origin
Mhm.
place of Mahanadi,
Okay.
and it is the largest river in Odisha, and it across some districts in Odisha like Sambalpur, Sonpur, Cuttack, and then it fall into the Bay of Bengal Ocean.
Yes, it rains in Bay of Bengal. Yes.
Yeah, yeah.
And Mahanadi and only one river or any other rivers in Orissa?
But largest river in the Odisha is Mahanadi. But
Mahanadi. Okay.
there are so many rivers, but they are smaller than Mahanadi.
Mahanadi. Okay.
Uh, like like Tel Nadi, Brahmani Nadi, Rusikalya.
Mm-hmm. Okay. In like Telugu, in Telugu states, we have um Krishna, Godavari,
Krishna
Penna.
Godavari. Yeah,
Yeah, Krishna is a big one.
yeah.
If I'm not
And
wrong, yeah, Krishna is a big one.
its origin point is MP,
Yes, Madhya
MP,
Pradesh.
Madhya Pradesh.
Okay,
Yeah,
Krishna. Uh-huh. And these both rivers also drains in Bay of Bengal.
Bay of Bengal. Yeah.
Yeah,
In Andhra, there is Nagarjun Dam
Nagarjuna
also.
Sagar. Yes,
Nagarjun
dam,
Sagar.
dam.
Yeah.
Yes, nice.
Have
And
you have you ever gone to that dam?
yes, I have visited. Yes, I have visited. It is
You
uh,
know, in my Odisha, you must have read in history or any GK general knowledge. The highest, longest dam in India is Hirakud Dam, which is over the Mahanadi River.
oh,
Yeah,
nice, nice, nice.
longest
And
longest dam.
yes,
It is located in Odisha.
yes. And I have also visited Sri Shailam. That is also one dam. I think Sri Shailam, Krishna River only, right? I'm not sure. Sorry. That is also there. They will generate huge some huge amount. I can't say in a number of electricity into
Electricity.
that water into power thermal
Yeah,
power project. That is one of the big project government
yeah, yeah,
project.
yeah.
Yeah. Have you ever visited these things? How they convert water into electricity like that to
Yeah,
the
when
dam?
turbine. Whenever water fall on the turbine, and turbine rotation, turbine rotates speedily, then it will create electricity.
Yes, yes. And also we can also create through wind as well. Through wind.
Yeah, in my
Wind
Kalahandi,
mills. They will
in my
generate.
yeah, in my Kalahandi, there is a power project which would be around 25 kilometers, only 25 kilometers from my area, and
Mhm.
I have electricity is produced there.
Mhm.
Electricity is produced. Yeah.
We can generate electricity through water, wind, and
Water,
also coal.
water, wind.
Three,
Yeah,
only three, right?
yeah.
Three. From three, we can generate. And at this moment, one situation reminds me. There is a movie called Bobbili Raja. In that movie, heroine she went to forest. There she climbs up and she rotates the fan, like that
Okay.
fan, and water will fall. But at the ground, one monkey is there. It will drink her water. So
Okay.
again, she will go up and she will rotate the fan. Again, when she came down, this monkey will drink all her water. That's a really a kind of joke in that movie.
Yeah, yeah.
Yeah,
Is it a Tollywood
Divya
movie?
Bharati. Yeah, Divya Bharati and Venkatesh. I think it is also dubbed famous movie in Hindi as well. Yeah.
So, do you like to watch movies?
Yes, yes. When it is comedy and interesting, yes, I love to watch movies. Yeah. Previously, 2 days
Which
back, I
which
have seen Kedarnath movie. Oh my God, it is really like awesome. And at the end point, I really felt sad. Her sister dead. That hero was dead.
Karnath,
Yeah,
Sushant
Kedarnath.
Singh.
Yeah, Sushant Singh Rajput. Yeah.
So, you like to watch a Bollywood movie?
Which one?
You like to watch Bollywood movie?
Balloon.
Bollywood,
Bollywood.
Bollywood.
Sorry.
Yeah.
Yes, I love to watch any kind. I don't
But
have any
but
restrictions that Tollywood, Bollywood, Hollywood. If the content
I
is
like
good,
to, but I like to Tollywood movie, Telugu movie.
hit Tollywood. Oh, nice, nice, nice. I I see if any movie is good, then I will just go watch. If any friend or any neighbor, if they talk about it, if I feel I want to watch, then I will just go and watch.
Okay. Recently, which movie have you seen? Recently, which movie
Ah,
have you
yes, one month back I have seen this movie, Kedarnath. Just
seen?
how I will tell you how I have seen that movie. Every day I will play the song. So at that one evening time, that's one of the song in that movie came. That Kafi Rana like that. So in
Yeah,
that song,
yeah.
those
But
behind scenes are
wait a sec.
very beautiful.
Yeah.
Sorry.
Your sometimes your video is lagging.
Oh, sorry. Now is it okay?
Is it okay? But sometimes.
Sometimes okay. Yeah. Okay. Then I really like that behind scenes of Kafirana. And I wondered how he's carrying one person on his back. They will carry from down to the Kedarnath temple, right? All the people.
No.
So I really that made me interesting. So from that I got a thought to have to watch that movie. Yeah.
Yeah.
Overall, it was amazing, and he really did a good job. See, any celebrity, I think they won't took that kind of decision, like holding any person on his back, but he did. Sushant Singh Rajput did. I really like that movie and him as well.
Yeah. So you can also speak Hindi
Um,
language.
no, if I say yes, my English is better than Hindi. I would say that my English is better than Hindi. I can understand, but I'm not thorough. Like I will speak lot of mistakes in Hindi. So it's better to speak in Hindi only if I come across any Hindi person.
Yeah, yeah, yeah. Actually, yeah. When I had gone to Visakhapatnam, and I asked some people in Hindi, but they could not understand my Hindi. Because
That's
I don't know
yes,
Telugu, so
that's
that's why I don't know Telugu. I know only Hindi and English. So
yeah.
I asked some people, but they could not reply me in Hindi.
Yes. So from next onwards, better you can converse in English, because all these youngsters, they are very thorough in English. They
Yeah,
can understand. They can give reply, but
yeah,
not as much as in like Hindi.
yeah,
Yeah. But when we take the like old generation people, they are fluent in Hindi.
yeah.
Few people are fluent, most of them, though they are not educated, but they have good grip on Hindi.
So how many language can you speak?
I
How many language?
I speak Telugu because it's my mother tongue, and English, uh, Hindi little bit, basic one. Yeah. So I think you how many languages you will speak? I think you
Yeah,
will speak four. I think.
yeah. I can speak three language. Odia language,
Yeah.
which is my native language, and
Yeah.
Hindi. I am
Hindi.
very fluent in Hindi and English.
Yeah. And I think you should get four, right? Okay.
Yeah,
Odisha, Hindi, English. Okay, three. Yeah.
three language.
Yeah. Okay. I also got three languages, but you should get. Okay. Okay. Yeah. It's okay. It's okay. I thought you know more compared to me.
No, 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 no. Only three language. Yeah, I can speak Hindi. I can read Hindi, but not speedily. I
Okay.
cannot write Hindi speedily. It is very difficult
Yes.
to
Yes.
write speedily. And I am able to read also Hindi.
Okay. And as you said that you watch more Tollywood movies, right? So you will understand if a person speak Telugu. Now you are you able to understand?
Yeah, that's a good question. Okay,
Mhm.
I will answer you. Actually, whenever I watch Telugu movie or any South Indian movie, I put the subtitle at the bottom of the screen.
Ah.
Yes.
Yes, yes.
Recently, I watched a Chase movie. Chase,
Which one?
Chase movie, Chase. Nitin.
Okay, Nitin. Okay. Uh-huh.
Yeah, Chase movie. But it is available in Telugu language. Audio is Telugu. So I put the title, subtitle,
Subtitles. Mhm.
and I
Yes.
watched that movie.
Yes, yes. We can watch even like that as well. And
Yeah, yeah.
have you ever interested in learning this Spanish, Latin, and German?
No, no, no.
No. I
You are
have
interested?
seen so many people, they are interested in learning this Spanish and German language. And
Yeah,
in that also they have certificates A, B, C, like that, level 1, level 2, level 3. And after that, they are becoming master in it, and they are teaching to other people these languages. Like this, I have seen. Uh, uh, Previously, I thought only
yeah.
English, the people are
So,
only crazy about English.
yeah,
But
yeah. So
later,
are you
I
interested?
found
So are
these
you
languages
interested?
as well.
Are you interested to learn Spanish, Germany?
Previously, I thought, but now I don't have time. First, even
You
to practice English only, I am not having time. So first, I have to
you know,
concentrate on this. Later, I will go to that languages.
and you know, in the world, Mandarin Chinese is spoken uh, by most of people in India, in world.
Chinese.
Yeah,
Okay,
Chinese
Chinese.
Mandarin language.
Uh-huh. Okay.
And it is a first spoken language in the world.
Uh-huh.
And
Okay. Oh.
after that,
Yes, yes. I heard. Yes, it's the toughest language. Yes.
yeah, Chinese Mandarin is a largest spoken language in the world, and
Yes.
after that, English is the second largest spoken language.
Yes.
Chinese Mandarin.
English. Yes. It's better like to have one universal language, so that if we go to any part of the world, then it will be a journey, or it will be comfortable.
Uh, yeah, if you know English, you can communicate with the people in India as well as other part of the world.
Other parts. Yes.
You know, English is language that you don't know my language, and I don't
Yes.
know your. Still,
Yes.
we are speaking to each other
Medium
through one
is English.
language,
Yes.
English language.
Yes. It's really helped a lot. Yeah. And if we take in corporate sector also, they only hire us if we are fluent in English, if we are able to speak, and if we are able to interact with. They will see whether we will be able to interact well with the customers. Then only
Yeah,
they will hire us.
yeah, yeah.
Yeah.
So,
Mm.
English language is language that which is uniting all the people in
Yes,
one.
true. Yes, yes. If people are speaking only Hindi means, then I would have not spoken with the all you people. So
Yeah,
English
yeah.
really helped. Yeah.
It is really,
Besides,
yeah,
yes,
it is really helping us to be connected with the people all around the world.
yes. Though it is Hindi is our national language. Or in from if we talk about my 10th standard, so their only subject is Hindi. So at that
Yeah,
time, I used to just mug up. They didn't taught me like how to speak in Hindi like that. They only taught me like, yes, this lesson complete, this learn this question, learn this answer like that. They taught only that. Otherwise, I would also have learned Hindi very well. I don't, and also I don't have any Hindi speaking people in
yeah,
my surroundings. So if I have, then I would have spoken well. Yeah.
yeah, yeah,
And when coming to English, all the subjects are in English. So we are thorough with that. With
yeah,
we
yeah,
can understand and read, but
yeah,
sometimes we lag. We lag in speaking. So that's
yeah.
what we are here prefer practicing English.
And without practice, we cannot speak English. So practice is main
Yes.
thing. Yeah,
Yes, practice. And I will tell you one more thing. Previously, I really had a good consistency. At that time, I had much less pressure in office, so I had a time to what to say to practice English daily. I used to talk with someone else. At that time, my fluency is much better than as I am today.
yeah, yeah,
But later, I got a gap. So from that time, I have observed my fluency is somewhat reduced.
yeah.
So
Uh,
from this we can learn
it,
that if we give gap, we will our fluency will reduce.
yeah, 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 yeah. If you will do discontinuity, then it will definitely decrease your fluency.
Yes, but
So,
what I have learned from that, I have loosened my tense. See, when we are speaking in English, we have somewhat tendency what other people thinking about my English, what they will say like that. So after practicing, I really from there I won't care what people whether the people will judge my mistake like that. So and I suggest everyone not to care what other people judge your mistakes. See, great people will become even they become successful from learning from making mistakes and learning from the mistakes.
yeah, yeah,
Yeah,
definitely,
that's
you are
what I
right.
believe.
Yeah,
Yeah.
people, the men learn from the mistakes.
Yes. Okay. Do you have any questions for me?
No, I have. Yeah, it is time for our feedback, and I want to have feedback from your side.
Yes, you are speaking very well, and what I have impressed from you is you are having great knowledge about the geography. I really, I really want to appreciate you because you know more about the Telugu. I mean, state these Telugu states, all this geographical, and I can say more information than me. You know
Okay.
because you're practicing government exam. I really appreciate that thing. Yeah, and if you even practice more and more, you will become even better person from as you are today.
Yeah, thank you for
So
suggestion.
yeah, thank you, and please give me your feedback to me.
Yeah, definitely. Actually, yeah, you are speaking very well, and I could not get any mistake during the conversation. You are speaking very well. Yeah.
Thank you.
And some people from your South India, they when they will speak English, their accent is different. But you are not like that. Yeah, your accent is good.
Thank you so much. Yeah, it's
Because
really means
yeah,
a lot.
some people from your South Indian, they mix Telugu plus English, so
Oh,
their accent get different.
oh,
But you
thank
are
you.
not. Yeah,
Thank you. And see, what I have learned is when opposite person is doing something good, we have to appreciate it so that
yeah,
they will get even more
yeah,
motivation, and they will do better. This
yeah,
is
yeah,
what I have learned. It's all
yeah,
about caring about each other.
yeah, yeah.
Yeah. Thank you so much,
Yeah,
Mantu. And I really enjoyed our conversation, and
me
it's
too. Me
really
too.
helpful for me as well. Yeah. Thank you.
Thank you.
Yeah. Bye.
Bye. See you again. Okay.
Yeah, sure. Definitely we will converse in on the day.
Other day.
Yeah.
Yeah. Okay.
Yeah.
Bye.
Bye.